Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics, your iPhone model, iOS version, and that you're signed into the correct iCloud account. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Make sure Notes is toggled on. Once done, open the Notes app and pull down to refresh. This forces a sync. Also check the recently deleted folder right away because Notes can be auto-removed within 30 days. If you use other accounts, tap Accounts and Notes to view mail-based notes. Now you handle the more complex syncing steps. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud, and toggle Notes off. Choose to keep on iPhone if prompted. Wait 10 seconds, then toggle it back on to trigger a full resync. Next, check Settings Notes accounts for Gmail or Exchange. Enable Notes there if it's off because some notes live on those servers. Then open Notes, use search with keywords, inspect folders, and unlock any locked notes. This is how you locate items. To finish, recover from recently deleted first or sign into iCloud. Com from a browser and check notes there. You can copy them back if present. If notes remain missing, restore from an encrypted iTunes or Finder backup that predates the disappearance because only encrypted backups retain certain data. If nothing works, sign out of iCloud on the phone, reboot, then sign in again to force a fresh sync. One troubleshooting tip: if sync still fails, contact Apple support and provide timestamp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.